Hi, I'm Darcy from Lumos Learning. Today, I will demonstrate how to use Lumos Guided Practice to help students in grade 7 develop conceptual understanding for specific topics in math. The Lumos Guided Practice is an intelligent, artificial intelligence-powered conversational system that offers students with individualized practice in an empathetic environment. Like a teacher, it carefully learns from the students' proficiency data and significantly simplifies the user's experience. It also offers lessons that are precisely tailored to the student's unique needs and provides interactive voice and visual aids to motivate and engage learners. Let's dive right into Lumos Guided Practice and see it in action. Once you open up the free Guided Practice module on the Lumos Learning website, you'll need to select the grade and the subject for which you'd want to practice more questions. Here are the domains for grade 7 math. For today's demonstration, I will be choosing the domain here at the top titled Statistics and Probability. The questions are standards aligned, dynamic, and support independent practice. Let's select the first one and start by clicking the play button here.
In a representational survey, voters were questioned as to which candidate they voted for. Of them, 7% mentioned that they voted for Jerry Smith. If 4 of the voters in the survey voted for Russell Moscow, how many voters were there altogether? No, do not include fractional part.
The Lumos assistant reads out the question. If you are not sure of the answer and need some extra support, click on the hint button in blue over here.
To find the total number of voters, multiply 4 into 100 and divide it by 7.
Nice! With the help of this hint, you can try arriving at an answer. To respond via voice, click on the mic, or enter your answer in the text box here and click Submit.
It is 57. Here is how I got 4 multiplied with 100 divided by 7 equals 57. Would you like to try another problem similar to this?
Uh-oh, it looks like your answer is wrong and you need some more practice. You can refer to the detailed explanation over here. Let's practice some more questions.
Well done. Good job. Would you like to try another problem similar to this?
That's a right answer. You rock. What's more, at the top right, you have this settings icon, which gives you access to the volume control slider, where you can increase or decrease volume for Lumos Assistant's voice. With these other buttons, you can pause, replay, mute, and even control the playback speed of the audio narration. Isn't this super cool and easy? I hope you loved Lumos Guided Practice. Simply head over to the Lumos Learning website, select grade and subject of your choice, and try it for free.